think we got a call.
Oh, that sounds like Victor, man.
Nope.
Oh, it's Paul. Hey, Paul, what's going on, brother?
Hey, what's happening, gentlemen? I'm over here talking to myself, watching the market. I thought I was still on hold. I'm sorry.
That's all right. Listen, man, all traders talk to themselves. If you didn't talk to yourself, man, it would be a problem.
I'm watching this Dow go from minus 160 to now plus whatever it is right now, and I'm like, wow, we do definitely have a market. And Steve Rhodes is the man. I mean, to be number one at anything for a significant period of time,
seriously,
hard thing to do, man.
Yeah, and particularly the S&P. I mean, give me a break. That's freaking awesome, no doubt, man.
So hey, check this out. I heard talking yesterday about the Conor McGregor fight and versus Khabib. I'm not even going to try to pronounce his last name.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a tough one. I went to the weigh-in on Friday because they do a free show here in Vegas at the arena. So they cut half the arena off. They fill it up. There's about 10,000 people in there. And I was thinking about you guys because the Irish came out in droves. I mean, they're doing these chants. I don't know what the chant is, but it was intense. I've been to several weigh-ins for boxing.
Yes.
I love combat sports. The atmosphere on Friday was not an atmosphere of a competitive contest in the ring, but of war. I mean, these guys were like ready to go at it in the street, and you've seen the riot that took place afterwards, and it was an intense. I didn't go to the actual fight; I watched it on TV. But the weigh-in itself was very intense. You had Khabib's side, Connor's side, and it was intense. And they made a ton of money. I mean, they made a lot of money. I think the highest paid MMA so far. I want to say.
It's going to be the highest paid until they have a rematch, Paul.
Hey, so Paul, listen to this. So Tommy's great-grandfather, my grandfather, right, was a boxer in the 30s, okay?
Oh, wow.
And this is really cool. And when we got, when I started doing the DNA, if boxing was so big then that when you pull up, you know, you do the DNA and then they get the newspapers and all that, and it's in the same texture, whether he was fighting in St. Louis, whether he was fighting, it was always the Irish crowd would be there. They wouldn't be battling each other. But when you read the articles, it's really crazy because that's how it was. Do you know what I mean? That everyone would come out. It's like, okay, you know, whether it's Irish, Italian, Lithuanian, you know, at that point, everyone was immigrants because he came in when he was 16. So they had not just got him. Well, now he's only 23, 24, 20, up to 28 when he was fighting. But we were reading the articles and it was like, man, that's crazy. And what I didn't realize, that's how big it was that they'd have to travel around. You know, to take, I don't know if they took buses or trains or whatever, but yeah, it's a big deal. There's no doubt about it. That's pretty cool that you got to see the weigh-in though, man. Yeah.
Oh, it's intense. They put on a great show, and the Irish have a rich history of boxing.
Oh yeah.
Fighters, and there's a heavyweight right now, Tyson Fury, who has a big fight coming up, big heavyweight fight. He was undefeated. And he retired, and now he's coming back for his belt against the American champion, who's 39-0 with, or 40-0 with 39 knockouts. So
wow,
that should be interesting coming up December 1st. But
big number.
Yeah, the fight game. Yeah, lots of money in the fight game, man.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Take a look at my nose. I told my father at 14 or 13, I was there. I says, Dad, this nose is getting too freaking big, man. I swear to God, that's exactly what happened. I get out of one bout. I said, that's it, man. I'm done. What are we going to look at?
Hey, so I wanted to take a look at ZUO. See what you guys think here.
Let's take a look. So they developed cloud-based software, the company's online subscription, billing and management platform, subscriber-based business. The low's 18, the high's 37. You're trading 19.5.
Nice $2 billion company.
At this weekly chart, and we consolidated at this level from the IPO. This is a recent.
Oh, I see what you're looking at.
IPO.
Yeah. Well, you might want to get it above 20 before you know.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah,
above 20.
Because that's where it started taking off from. Do you know what I mean? And you can see. Right now, I get this on a weekly, and you can see it already has too much volume on the weekly. 3.5 million versus 3.2, and what? We're only the second day of the week, right? Hey, just stay right there, Paul. Stay right there.
Okay. We'll do.
Stay right there, folks. Tommy, Paul, myself, we're coming right back. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Dow right now up 24, NASDAQ up 55, S&P's up 3. We'll come right back. Welcome back, folks. Dow's down 19, Nasdaq's up 39, S&P's up 1. We got our man Paul from Nevada, Tommy, myself. Hey, Paul, I just brought up this article. This is pretty intense, actually. Crypto industry is on the brink of implosion, Jupiter wands. Juniper. So what they're saying here is that because of the transaction value, Paul, and, you know, Tommy and I would talk about this at the beginning of the program, actually, that they, you know, we went from, I guess, 360,000 trades a day in late 2017 to 230 in September. And you're thinking this thing's going to go down another 45% in trade value. They're not saying that thing's going to go down 45%, but this is going to get intriguing, man, watching this whole thing shake out. So what's been happening in the community? These people are licking their wounds, I'm sure, right?
They're definitely licking their wounds, and there's a bifurcation. There's a group of people that are Bitcoin maximalists, and they believe all the other coins are going to go to zero.
Okay.
And at the end of the day, only Bitcoin is going to be the winner. But, you know, a lot of people are holding tight, and for traders, the way I look at it, and other people that trade with me, you know, it's just on pause right now. Until it starts getting moving,
yeah,
there's some coins that I have that I'm going to hold, but
sure.
Other than that, we're not going to trade it until it just gets going.
Well, you know what's so intriguing, man, that, you know, and this may come into play in the future. We'll see, man. I think it's going to come into play with gold. You know, the whole Iran sanction deal, I mean, these big countries, they're going to be looking to get around these sanctions, man. It's like, okay, is it going to be Bitcoin? Is it going to be gold? How is that going to work? Because the European Union is saying, hey, listen, man, we're going to do business with Iran. It's like, okay, I guess we're going to find out. Do you know what I mean?
We're going to find out. Well, hey, it was great talking to you, gentlemen. Have a great day, and we'll see how everything shakes out from here.
Awesome.
Thanks, Paul. Take care.
Hey, bye-bye.
Thanks, folks. You stay.